First of all, Assalamu alaikum to everyone. My name is Mariam Waris. I am studying in elementary level and my respectable teachers are Sir Faisal and Sir Shehbaz. Today my topic is about the role of English in our jobs and career. So in this topic we will talk about to these things which help us to get a job and progress in our career. It will, it will help to us to understand this point that why the English language is very important to get a job. I promise to you all that after listening my presentation, you all will understand very well that how the English language play a very important role in our jobs and why it's very useful for our careers. Now, I want to talk my first point, which is communication skills. As we all know that English has a very importance in this era. Mostly, if you will see in our companies, you will see that English is used for communication. In another language, we can say that English is used as a communicator. English is also used for sending documents. So, mostly companies prefer to those candidates who can speak good English. Now, I will move on to my next point, which is job opportunities. Mostly in our interviews, if you can speak English fluently or you can speak good English, so there are more possibilities that you can get job very easily. So it shows that English provides to you more opportunities to get job and make your career more bright. Now I want to talk about my next point, which is online courses. As we all know that English is very useful to get education and it's very powerful to achieve any goal. So by knowing English and by grasp on English, we all can learn new skills which are very useful for our career. Now I want to talk about my next point, which is career growth. English skills provides to you more opportunities and you can get success in your professional life. So we can say that proficiency in the English language may lead to promotions, higher salaries and better career prospects. Now I want to talk about my next point, which is leadership roles. So English language play a very important role to leadership positions as they enable effective communication with your international teams and international clients. So mostly if you will see in offices, so if you can speak English, so you can show your ideas and you can present your work in a different way. Now these are my points. So there is my one question to you all. Do you know about Churchill? His full name was Winston Churchill. Okay, I tell you. He was the president of UK and he was very weak in mathematics and Latin. He doesn't want to learn English. All the children of his age were learning mathematics and like science subjects, but he doesn't want to learn mathematics. He just want to learn English. And all the people thought that he is a very dull student or he is very weak in mathematics. But after some years he had become professional in English, and those people who get medals in maths and mathematics, they come back to learn English. Why? Because English was very important to get a job. And this story proves that learning English never proved to be lost for you in your professional life. This story shows that learning English proved to be gained in your practical life. So, in conclusion, I want to suggest or I want to say that proficiency in the English language is very useful to make our career, and English language is very useful to adapt in every field. It fulfills the requirements of any company. So you should learn English to get a good job, and you should learn English to make your career more bright. It doesn't matter that you can solve a equation. There is a equation of mathematics you can't solve, it doesn't matter. There is a derivation you can't solve, doesn't matter. But if you can speak good English, it matters, and you will never fail in your practical life. So I suggest to you all that you should learn English, you should grab on English. It will be very useful in your practical life and your professional life. Thank you to you all that for listening my presentation. Thank you.